What if I told you that you could turn powerful Bible stories into jaw-dropping 3D animations for free and make real money doing it? Yes, you heard that right. Channels like Bible in a Nutshell are doing exactly that, racking up over 18 million views and pulling in more than $45,000 a year just by animating scripture. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to create beautiful animated Bible content using AI tools that anyone can access. No experience, no problem. I'll even hook you up with the exact prompt I used right in the description box so you can start creating eye-catching scenes, smooth animations, and consistent characters right away. By the time we are done, you'll be ready to launch your own animated Bible series that can inspire millions and earn passive income while doing it. Let's fire up and get started. Alright, so we have to use ChatGPT to generate our stories, okay? So we have to give it a prompt so that it will help us generate the stories. We will copy the first prompt and give it to ChatGPT to give us at least 5 stories. Alright, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'll leave it in the description box. Now click on enter. ChatGPT is now done generating the stories, so we have to copy the second prompt and select the story that we want. Okay, so I'll copy everything, the second prompt, it will be in the description box, and I'll go through the stories that was written and find the one that I like. I think I'll just do with the first one, so they are in numbers, so I'll just type number 1. Okay, and I'll come down and I'll place the prompt here and I'll click on enter or generate, and it also generates everything for us. Alright, so we are done with that, so let's move to the next stage. We have to get our voiceover ready, and we are going to use ElevenLabs.io. So you click on get started or go to app and you sign in an account with them if you already don't have an account. Okay, so you can sign in with your Google account and you are good to go. After a successful sign up, you will see a page like this. Okay, so you click on the menu and go to text to speech. Alright, so we have to go back to ChatGPT, okay, and copy all those narrations. Okay, you start from the very top, which is today's story is about this, or the whatever the narrator was saying. You'll copy each and every text and bring it here. You paste it here, click on enter, alright, and then go back and copy the next narration. Okay, so you do that till all of the narration has been pasted into ElevenLabs.io. Okay, so once you have brought everything here, click on the voice actor over there and then look for a voice actor that you can go through and listen to all the voices and find a perfect voice for your video. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. I have to go through it and then select a perfect male voice. Yeah, or you can even select a female voice if that's what you want. Okay. Okay, I think I'll go for this Josh, right? So I'll select that and I'll click on generate speech. Okay, so we'll give it some time and then our voiceover will be ready. The voiceover is finally generated, so I have to click on the download button and have it downloaded on my device. Okay, and then we move to the next stage. It's time to create our 3D characters. Okay, so you open the Leonardo app, create an account with them, just like I'm doing here. Okay, you have to create an account with Leonardo AI, and then we start generating our characters. Okay. When you are done creating your account, you click on image generation. Alright. Okay, so you have to insert the prompt, but first of all, we have to click on that Phoenix one. We have to be on that, and also has to be on dynamic. Alright. Then you come to ChatGPT and copy the scenes. Alright. You copy all the scenes and take it to Leonardo AI to generate it for you. You have to click on that. This, we have done this already. You have to click on that settings. It's 16. The ratio, aspect ratio is 16:9. Okay, I think that is that. Everything should be like this. Everything should be how it is. The little thing over here is the same 0.9. Okay, which is ideal for YouTube videos. Right. So you click on generate and ChatGPT. Leonardo AI do it then. So let's wait a minute. Okay, so the first scene has been generated. So you have to go through it. You were given 4 images, okay? So you have to go through it and select the perfect one, okay? And download it onto your... Alright, so once you have downloaded that, you go back to ChatGPT and copy the next scene just as we did before. You paste it there and then it will also generate the next scene for us, okay? Okay, I'll copy the second scene and I'll go back to Leonardo AI and I'll clear the old one, the first scene from there, and I'll add the second scene. Click generate and let's wait for some time for it to generate it for us. However, you can just go back to ChatGPT, copy the next scene, come back and then paste it here, and it will generate all the images for you. Supposing that your credit is sufficient, and let's say your credit get exhausted, you just have to create a new account with a new Gmail, and you'll be given 150 credit. Okay. Now is the time to give life to our characters, okay? So we are going to use Hailuo AI. You have to sign up to Hailuo AI and you'll be given 1,000 credits for free, okay? So you have to go to image generation, okay? Then upload the scene, the first scene that you generated with Leonardo AI, okay? And then we go back to ChatGPT, all right? Go back to ChatGPT and upload that image. You upload that image, the first scene, all right, and you ask GP to give you a prompt for the image, okay? So that's what I'm about to do now. I give that image to ChatGPT to give me a prompt. So all right, for ChatGPT, create a prompt for this image. All right, so once that prompt is ready, we will copy that and send it to Hailuo AI, all right, for it to give life to our scene, like make it cinematic, make it to move, give change to it. You get it? Okay, so ChatGPT gave me 2 prompts. Okay, so I'll select the preferred one and I'll copy everything. Once copied, I'll go to Hailuo AI and I'll paste it here. Okay, all right, and I'll click it, register 30, and over there I'll click on that one and it will start working on it. Our first scene has been turned into a video for us, so we have to download it onto our mobile phone. Okay, so because I'm using the free version, I would have to download with Watermark. If I want to get rid of the Watermark, then I have to pay, but then don't worry, I'll show you how to get rid of the Watermark. Right, so let's do the second scene. Okay, so I'll have to delete it and also get rid of the prompts that ChatGPT gave me, and I will have to upload the second scene. Okay, so I'll upload the second scene and then also go back to ChatGPT and upload that same image of it, and I'll ask ChatGPT to give me a prompt for that for the second scene, just like we did before. All right, okay, so let's get it done. And so I'll have to fast forward it so that the video will not be so lengthy. Thank you. So I am done turning all the images into videos. Okay, so it's now the time for us to edit them using CapCut. Let's get into it. Open the CapCut app and import all the videos that you had downloaded onto your computer, starting from the first scene. Okay, so I'll import everything to the CapCut app. All right. First things first, so I have to add transitions to the videos. So that's what I'm about to do. Okay, and I'll use the fade. Okay, fade. So I'll search for fade. All right, and I think I will use the black fade, even though you can't see which one best fit whatever video you are doing. Okay. Once you have the perfect transition selected, you go back top and apply to all. And this transition will be applied to all the videos clip that you have imported. All right. We have to add audio to it. That's our voiceover. So audio, sounds, you click on that folder and device. Okay. And I'll search for ElevenLabs. That is the name of the voiceover I did over there. Now look for the right one. I love voiceovers, so I have to listen to them and find the right one. So that's it. I'll import it. I'll click on that plus sign here, and it will come like this. As you can see, my voiceover has been added. And the next thing that we have to do is also to do generate caption. Okay, so let's do that. To add captions, you click on text. Okay, and then you click on auto. And you select one of those templates that's showing over there. You select one that you like. All right, so when you finally get the one you like, you click on generate and automatic edit your video for you. All right. you have to add some background music. Okay, so you click on audio and sound, and you search. You can search in the search bar, search for background. Okay, and I'll go through the music that will come and find a very soothing music there for the video. I think the first one is still a better option, so click on the plus sign. Alright, add it to the video. And you have to reduce the volume a bit so that you can hear the voiceover clearly. Okay, so that's what I just did. After everything is set and done, just click on export to export the final project. You select 4K, or I'm not allowed to select 4K for this. I don't know why. So I'll just select the 1080p and then export the video. Now our video is finally exported. So let me show you how to get rid of that watermark over there. Okay, so you open AniEraser. It's an app, so it's free. You can download it from Play Store. And then I'll import the video that we had just exported. Okay, and I'll use the eraser. I will make sure it is small enough to fit that watermark over there. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. So once that is done, once I'm able to do that, I just click on next. Once I click on next, it will do the processing, and the watermark in the video will be eliminated. Okay, so once that is also done, I'll just save it onto my device. And we are done.
Today's story is about a boy, a giant, and a whole lot of courage. This is the story of David and Goliath. A long time ago, two armies were at war, the Israelites and the Philistines. But every day, instead of fighting, one huge warrior named Goliath would come out and shout, "Send someone to fight me." Goliath was over 9 feet tall, covered in armor, and terrifying. The Israelite soldiers were too scared to go near him. One day, a young shepherd named David came to visit his brothers at the battlefield. When he heard Goliath mocking God, he couldn't believe it. David told King Saul, "I'll fight him." Everyone thought he was too young, too small. But David trusted God, not size.